We are closing a deal. You always want to be closing deals. So we have a mobile closer who came to the mansion to close the deal. This is a property that we bought for $40,000. I put in there $40,000. We sold this property for $199,000. They came back at $189,000. I accepted it. I didn't make the $100,000. You guys remember this house?
Hi, I'm Kenny Russian, and do you see this house right behind me? Yeah, that house right there. I'm going to make $100,000 from that house.
But I was able to make about 85 or 82 or something like that on that house by using my system. And you can do the same thing in your city. Ain't that right, Monty?
Yes, sir.